cross over to another interesting aspect that the government has paid over 2.5 billion shillings to relocate people for the construction of the Thwake multi-purpose water development project in Makueni County. The water project will be constructed in 3 phases, with the first targeting to connect households to clean water, while the second phase to focus on irrigation so as to boost agriculture. Then the third phase will focus on power generation. According to the Principal Secretary in charge of irrigation, Zainab Hussein, those who have not been compensated will receive their money before the end of the month. The PS notes that the dam will benefit 1.3 million people who will receive clean water, irrigate 100,000 acres of land to turn the area into an agricultural farmland that will increase productivity and increase food variety. The project will also see 1,800 youth employed, which will also be the primary source for water for the proposed Konza ICT city.
To the end, and we expect an investment of about 50 to 60 billion, of which about 65% will be GOK funded. The initial compensation targets the dam print area, and because that's where phase 1 will start, I think we will look into other future compensations as the project evolves.